How to change Doordash password. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Doordash password. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open your Doordash app. Then tap on here continue with email. Now enter here email. After entering email, tap on continue to sign in. Now here tap on use password instead. Then here tap on forgot your password. Now tap here reset password. Now open your email. Refresh your email. You will receive an email like this. Open that email. Tap on this link. Enter here new password, enter here the new password again and tap on reset password. Now your password has been changed. So now here you have to tap on sign in. Then here enter email, tap on continue to sign in. Tap here use password instead. Enter here password. After entering password, tap on sign in. Wait for a few seconds. And you will be signed in to your Doordash account. So this is how you can change your Doordash password. Thanks for watching.